Well, in other election news, this time from the capital, and Congress and the Bahujan Samajwadi Party will be facing off in Delhi today. Star campaigners of both parties, Sonia Gandhi and Mayawati, will be addressing rallies, and with the election not even a week away, each and every vote counts. Mayawati's party for the first time is contesting on all 70 seats in Delhi and promises to not just send a few MLAs to the assembly but also hurt the Congress.
He owns 3 Mercedes and 1 BMW. With a real estate business, Kanwar Singh Tanwar is worth rupees 150 crores. And now he wants to be the MLA from Chhatarpur.
लोग बड़े दुखी हैं इन दोनों बीजेपी और कांग्रेस सरकार। ना यहाँ पर शिक्षा की कोई समस्या हल नहीं होती, शिक्षा की ना पानी की समस्या हल हो रही है यहाँ पर, और ना ही रोड सड़कें गांव में है ही नहीं बिल्कुल भी।
Chhatarpur has traditionally voted for the Congress. The BSP has never fought an election from here before. And here's why Kanwar Singh is their man. He's a Gujjar, and so he can add a third dimension to the BSP's traditional vote bank of Dalit and Muslim voters. Together, Dalits, Muslims and Gujjars make up 60% of the voters here. The Crorepati's rival from the Congress is also a Gujjar, but Kanwar Singh has used his money wisely in the last 5 years.
27 साल से जो बने हुए एमएलए उन्होंने भी अपने घर से नहीं करा जो इन्होंने कर दिखाया है।
उन्होंने अपने चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट के द्वारा गरीब आदमियों के लिए हॉस्पिटल की सुविधा की है।
In the municipal elections last year, the BSP surprised Delhi with an unexpected performance. It won 7% of the municipal seats. But more importantly, in 40 seats the BJP won, it was the BSP that was in second place. Clearly, Mayawati's party had eaten into the Congress vote. So why is the Bahujan Samaj Party gaining ground from the Congress? For one, the migrant labour from UP and Bihar identify with the BSP. Many voters we met said that the Chief Minister's remarks made 1.5 years ago upset them.
तो यहाँ बिहार से भी, यूपी से भी, सब जगह से लोग यही आ जाते हैं। क्या करें आप अपना? रोक तो सकते नहीं।
Sheila Dikshit later said she was misinterpreted, but the damage seems to have been done. Secondly, the BSP's major strength in Delhi, like in UP, seems to be a network of grassroots workers who have helped set up schools and free clinics. And now the BSP is including higher caste candidates to compete with the BJP. What does hurt the party in Delhi is that it has no local recognizable face. Mayawati remains the only crowd puller. With Saransh Sugandh, Sakshi Talwar for NDTV.